In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you access Leonardo AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to access the Leonardo AI, you just simply have to download this Leonardo AI application, or you can access the Leonardo AI using your web browser. Just simply search for Leonardo AI and this Leonardo AI application or the web app will be appeared. Now you can use it by just simply opening the website. For your ease, I'm opening Leonardo AI application for now. And after opening the application, you can easily scroll and check all of the generated image in Leonardo, or in order to create or generate your own image and access, you just simply have to tap to this image generation and you can generate your own results or images in your Leonardo AI. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.